Yeah, man. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you tin mackerel stew with spaghetti. You're gonna enjoy this meal. You're gonna need diced or sliced small onion, 2 between 3 garlic cloves, springtime,
Small quarter-inch piece ginger with skin.
half scotch bonnet pepper, teaspoon dried parsley, teaspoon dried basil. You can use any of these herbs fresh. Chop it fine. Teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. You could use any flavored vinegar. 2 dried pimento berries or a teaspoon of pimento seeds. Teaspoon salt. I'm using sea salt. A tin or can of tin mackerel. A small or use any size can tin mackerel.
2 tablespoons cooking oil. I am using coconut oil. A teaspoon organic seasoning.
Chopped small stock scallion.
1 or 2 tablespoons ketchup.
Chopped small tomato, optional. Spaghetti pasta. Visit Jamaican Dinners or JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe.
Put seasonings one place. I am using this plate.
First, prepare vegetables and seasonings.
Cut quarter-inch piece ginger with skin. Wash it clean. Grind or mash 2 garlic cloves to puree. Chopped onions.
Springtime.
Put 2 dried pimento berries on the plate. Use quarter teaspoon organic seasonings.
If you're intimidated to use herb, use 1 teaspoon all-purpose powdered seasoning instead.
Cut quarter or half piece scotch bonnet pepper. Half teaspoon parsley. Half teaspoon basil. You could use any of these herbs fresh. Quarter teaspoon salt. I am using sea salt.
Chopped small stock scallion.
Chop it fine. Seasonings. Go to the next step.
Wash the surface of the can clean before you open it. Use your can opener. Open can. Open can or tin mackerel. Put to eat a stewing pot or use a saucepan. Use a pan or a pot with a proper lid. Put the stove's gauge on 4, medium-low. Ensure the pot is dried. If you're in a hurry, use a paper towel. Dry out the pot. Allow the pot to get hot for a few seconds. Measure and add 1 between 2 tablespoons cooking oil.
Add cleaned piece ginger with skin.
Allow the cooking oil to get hot for 10 between 20 seconds. After time, saute the seasonings. Add chopped onions. Stir it. Allow it to saute 10 between 20 seconds. Add chopped scallion. Stir it. Allow it to saute 10 between 20 seconds. Add mashed garlic. Stir it. Allow it to saute few seconds. Now would be a good time to turn the flame down and low, very low. Add pimento berries, add peace pepper, add the thyme stick, add herbs. If not using herbs, now would be a good time to add the powdered all-purpose seasonings. Use 1 teaspoon. Add half between 1 teaspoon salt. Add the chopped tomato. Tomato is optional. If you don't have tomato, it would be okay. Now, add tin mackerel on the sauteed seasonings. Next, fill the can quarter way with water. Then put it in the pot or pan. Measure and add teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. You could use any flavored vinegar.
You cannot add water. The flavor would taste stronger. Be mindful.
The tin mackerel. Stir it. Try not to break the fish. Try not to break the fish in pieces while stirring. Use the pan's lid. Cover pan properly. The stove scale should be on low. Allow it to stew for between 3 minutes on low flame. This is how very low flame looks on my stove, and this is how very low flame gauge looks on my stove. By keeping the stove flame on low,
the stew will cook deliciously. After 5 minutes on low, this is it. Stir it.
Remove peas pepper.
Now turn flame up on 4, medium low.
Measure and add 1 to 2 tablespoons ketchup. Stir it.
Cover it with the pan's lid. Allow. After a minute or 2 more,
stir it. This is what the cooked tin mackerel stew looks like. Stir it. This is finished. Turn the stove off. Cover it until serving. Next, tenderize spaghetti pasta. To do this, fill a medium-sized saucepan halfway with water. Put the saucepan to heat. Put the stove's gauge on 4, medium-low. Allow the water to bubble. Add salt. After between 10 minutes and the water start bubbling, add spaghetti. I like to break the spaghetti in half. To me, it's easier to handle when I'm eating it. Stir it so that the spaghetti won't stick together. Use the pan's lid, cover it, open lid halfway. Allow spaghetti to tenderize between 8 minutes. After time, remove the spaghetti from the heating water or remove the water. To do this, pour the water through a big enough strainer to remove the spaghetti from the hot water. It's best if you serve and eat the spaghetti right away. However, if you're not gonna eat it now, measure a tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, and stir it in the spaghetti. This will prevent it from sticking together. Take a spoon of this tin mackerel stew and place it on cooked spaghetti. And place it over the cooked spaghetti that is on the plate. This is tin mackerel stew or stewed tin mackerel. Visit Jamaican Dinners or JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this tin mackerel stew. Eat it with spaghetti, and I know you're gonna love it. When you do, you should leave a comment and give us your feedback. This is tin mackerel stew. This meal would be good if you sprinkle some Parmesan on top, or you could use cheddar cheese. The flavor of the tin mackerel stew mixed with the spaghetti is unique. You will enjoy eating this meal. This is just another dinner idea. The flavor of this tomato sauce is tangy. You don't want to add too much water because you don't want to kill the natural flavor of this tomato sauce that is in. Why do we open the lid halfway? If the pot is covered fully, the starch in the water is gonna foam and overflows. This will mess up the stove and you don't want that. I do not cook like that, and you do not cook like that as well. This is just another dinner idea recipe. After 6 between 8 minutes, the pasta is tenderized. It's cooked properly. It's different, I enjoyed it, and I know you will enjoy it as well. For once, you can eat fish with spaghetti, and it feels as if you're eating a real spaghetti meal. These days, the tomato sauce in the tin mackerel is natural and delicious. It does not have that chemical preservative flavor. It has a natural flavor. It even says it on the can, and the flavor is such. It tastes natural more. This is something that I don't eat regular. However, the other day I saw it, so I said, make I buy it. I noticed on the can that they are adding natural ingredients for preservative. I did not expect it. However, the tomato sauce in the tin mackerel tastes delicious and natural. One time when they used to use the chemical preservative, the tomato sauce in the tin mackerel didn't taste as good. However, now this tastes delicious. Until next time, walk good.
Yeah, man.